Hey guys, so in this video, we're going to talk about the P0164 O2 sensor circuit high voltage code. Now, the meaning of the P0164 code. Now, this is due to the fact that there is sensor 3 on bank 2 positioned downstream in the exhaust system to monitor oxygen levels after the catalytic converter, helping optimize fuel mixture and emissions. Now, high voltage signal. Now, this can be due to the fact that there's a rich exhaust mixture, inefficient oxygen in the combustion process. Implications of the code is a rich fuel condition causing high sensor voltage or a fault with the sensor or its wiring. Now, moving on here, the symptoms of P0164 is going to be a check engine light, poor fuel economy, strong fuel smell, excessive exhaust smoke, failed emissions test. So these are the 5 symptoms. Now, right next to it is, in depth if you want to really go into it, but we're going to kind of dumb it down. Now, the next one is going to be the common causes of P0164 code. Now, faulty oxygen sensor that can send incorrect voltage signals. Shorted signal wire. Now, damaged or shorted wiring between the sensor and ECM could lead to false high voltage readings by interfering with sensor signals. Next is going to be exhaust leak near sensor. Now, there's going to be leaks in the exhaust system close to the sensor that can cause abnormal readings by altering exhaust gas composition. Contaminated sensors that can reduce sensor accuracy, and the ECM malfunction that fails to regulate voltage properly, causing the error code P0164 code. Now, the fixes for P0164 is just by replacing the oxygen sensor, repair or replace wiring, fix exhaust leaks. You can also test the sensor voltage in the heater circuit for proper function. Update or replace ECM. Now, this one's a little bit of a rare one because you don't necessarily have to replace the ECM, but usually if, the sensors and any other sensors are not communicating, then more than one code that may pop up may be the communication with the ECM, so you might have to replace that. But that comes with multiple codes that are able to be read and sensors that are not communicating well, multiple sensors at that. So anyways, that's been it for today's video regarding P0164 code. Here on this channel, we try to provide you with insight as quick as possible, but if you do have any questions, feel free to reach out in the comments. We'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. Till then, thank you guys all for watching another OBD Mastery video, and we'll see you until next time.